to Jamaica.
Girl, wind up your body for me, baby.
Alpha, London. I don't be hard to wait, Avi. Hungry be won't kill me for Nigeria. Don't be joke. That country. Now only Nigeria they thief wet cloth. Cloth way wet, they go thief am. That country. Now only Nigeria, army man go stand. Army man with gun, they go thief him phone. He go dey find phone with gun. Nigeria. But as I come London, I see things so. China people for this country. China people wey dey London. I dey waka, me and my guy for Woolwich, I waiting they call am. We can't see one China man. I can't ask the China man what they discuss. I said, do you know Jesus Christ? He said, Jesus Christ. I don't know him, but if you give me one sample, I'll produce two. I'm shocked. They produce everything. I just sit down, they think of those days for school. You know, say those days, well, they school, many of us went school for Nigeria. You get some particular exam when you go, don't read for like 3 months. You dey prepare for the exam. On the day of the exam, you go don't notice, say, come on to spell come. You go forget that. It happened to us here. You know, when we say to spell practical, you go they say, that is small thing I don't spell. It do me. I don't read for chemistry practical. Read for like 4 months. On the day of the exam, we just quiet. You know, exam for Lagos. If you later the waka, I can't dey write. As I dey write, I don't write chemistry. To spell practical, I can't forget that. I can't begin call my guy. We sit down for my side. I say, Festus. The guy shocked. Say, Emeka, what happen? I say, I beg. Spell practical. The guy shocked. He said, Emeka, now practical. Now in office spell for example. You sure say you go pass this exam, so? I say, I beg. You sure you collect your Bible? You can't collect Bible. Come begin spell. Can't spell and finish. I can't continue the write. You know this 60 seconds. I can't see somebody they call me. Emeka. As I look, now Festus, I said, what happened? He said, I beg, Emeka, spell the thing I just spell for him now. We thank the Lord. Not a joke. Different things they happen for school those days. I don't forget one day for class when teacher enter class. One teacher at time, not to enter. He say, good morning, students. All of us shout, good morning, sir. He said, I need you to answer this question now. Who can tell me where Christian worship? Everybody quiet. Those days, public school. One sharp girl for front called raise an uncle. Christian worship in the church. The uncle say, come here. Come carry long koboko, give her. You need to flog everybody in this class 6-6 for not getting it. Small girl on the flog with papa for class. Tie your back. 6-6. Flog everybody around. Teacher can say the next question. Who can tell me where Muslims worship? We don't know. All of a sudden, one stammerer for back come begin raise her up. For my mind, I say, we no close school today. Teacher come call her. Nicodemus, come forward. Tell the class where Muslims worship. That one can start. Uncle. Mama. Muslims. Worship in the. Mama. As they do, mama teacher come pity him. Cause said Nicodemus, hold it. I know you know it. Take this koboko. Flog everybody 6-6. And you know where stammerer they flog. In the count and a stammerer. He said, turn your back. One. We said Nicodemus stand there with that. He won't kill us that day. As we thank the Lord. As he don't flog everybody 6-6. Teacher come tell him, okay now, Nicodemus, tell the class, where do Muslim worship? He can start. Mama. mortuary. Person we don't floor class 6. No be die there. What did they go do? We thank the Lord. Let me talk. I beg. You happen to be for Nigeria. This is what I want to tell you now. If when I go church, I beg. I use God name beg on. In the morning, try to put something for mouth. Even on a small, even on a bread and tea, breakfast. I dey always do that thing. You know, some people there will go say no. If you come out from church, another time go cook. I dey always do that thing. I can't go church. Hungry, they beat me. I know say get some service for Lagos where they end 2 o'clock, 3 from 7 in the morning. Hungry, come they beat me. Service don't enter that kind to 1 in the afternoon. The woman who sit down near me for church come bring out a handbag. Come carry 3 plantain chips come outside. I come begin look am. As I dey look at the woman, they look me. Now she asks me, do you care for some? I don't know when I tell her, madam, now God bring you come. I beg, give me plantain chips. She come carry 1 pack, give me. And you know plantain chips now, 1 they take a pastor they preach at the church, 1. Pastor they preach. Plantain chips don't remain 2. Make it finish. Then pastor come say, the Lord is saying something here. The Lord is saying there's some witches and wizards in this hall. If you don't stand up now, you are dying tomorrow morning. The Lord wants to redeem you. Woman will give me plantain chips. Come begin stand up. Now me come they tell her, madam, no be you pastor they talk to. She said, now me be the leader of witches for this area. I can't go stand up say for deliverance because I don't chop witch. We thank the Lord. May the souls of the Dana air crash victims in Lagos, you heard about the air crash, may their souls rest in peace. Igbo people they here. Igbo Bueno. We are fear Igbo people for Lagos now when that air crash happened. For the incident where it happened, for the place where it happened, now 50 people they confirmed dead. 50. As they announced for television the upper week, say the families of the victims were going to give them 15 million naira. As they reach mortuary the next day, they see 200 dead body like that. See where people like that. Waiting pay me, my landlord. Where we see for house the other day. Me and the pikin can't go look, you know, go see what he as we reach mortuary. We think na go see Papa lie down for there. He got shocked. Go call him, Papa, Daddy, what are you they do here? Get the kid here. Papa said, Uche na Meshiano. Oh, 15 million. When the pikin hear 15 million, he said, Daddy, shift, make I lie down here. Shift, make I 15 plus 15, oh, 30 million. But what did they pay me before I leave? Now people when they travel abroad, you know, for Nigeria, person will travel, go London maybe 2 weeks before you come back, they go forget the 30 years where they don't speak pidgin for Nigeria. It's annoying. What they pay me, my guy, go Ghana, stay 2 months, come back, they say, damn, man. You know what I'm saying, man? The one we can pay me now, my friend, Chika. He go Cotonou, from Lagos to Cotonou. Now like this, so they stretch. If you stretch, now just you feel stretch, enter Cotonou. He go stay Cotonou 6 months, come back. As I with the same market for Alaba International. As I see my guy, Chika, he said, damn, man. You don't say that. She. I said, Chika. He said, damn, man. You don't say that. She. We no come they follow Chika talk. Because anything where you ask him, he go tell you, damn, man. You don't say that. She. One day, me and Chika come they drive for Oshodi. He sit down for front of my motor. As I they drive, he come see shirts where they hang for Oshodi market where he like. He said, Mecca, I like the shirt, man. I come back. I so come down. He said, talk to the guy, man. I come ask the guy, bros, how much be this shirt? The guy say, my guy, now 5,000. I say, how much last? My guy like the shirt. He said, I'm gonna bring 2,500. I come tell them, man, Chika, pay. As Chika put hand for, you know, show the very rough place. As he put hand for him back pocket to bring your wallet, he no see her. He chook hand for here, he no see her. Chook hand here, he no see. Chook hand here. Now look me, Emeka. Oh lo 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 lo. Mbe zuru go wallet to go. Me, I can't look at him that time. I said, damn, man, you don't say that shit. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you.
Would like to thank our sponsors.
Move it! 7, 6, 2, 1.
A trip to Jamaica.
Girl, wind up your body for me, baby. Nah, nah, nah. Oh, nah, nah, nah. You bubble it and get the keys to the city like la, la, la. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Say me say what you want, girl, and me say what you want. You bubble it and rock it down like you are with the law. The way you wind, you representing Mama Africa. Caribbean and then we link up in Canada. Busy remix it with Tiwa from Nigeria. We have the keys to the city.
Welcome to First View Luxury Hotel. At First View Luxury Hotel, we offer excellent service. Our rooms have all the necessary facilities to make your stay comfortable and memorable. You will also have access to internet service, breakfast, 24-hour power supply, full air condition, free international calls, free tire pumping service, and free car battery charge. So what are you waiting for? Quickly visit First View Luxury Hotel. We are located at number 1 Adeline Obamishile off Raji Rasaki Road, First Estate, Amuwo, Odofin Start, Lagos. For more information or reservation, please call us on 080-7578-7135 or 080-9990-0601. You can also take advantage of our online ongoing promo at www.firstviewhotel.com to make your reservation and payment for your favorite room, which attracts a discount rate. Please note, rooms are reserved based on first come, first serve. First View Luxury Hotel. Experience the home of comfort. They come.